Hello everyone and welcome to the Little Blue Fly. In today's video I will be sharing some of my new pretties I have here for the summertime, as well as a collaboration with Bona. So this is my second collaboration with them. They reached out again, which I'm just over the moon about because there were some items that I spoke about when I was sharing the Barstools, my very first collab with them, that I was looking for outdoor planter boxes. Well, they approached me with a collab for some planter boxes, so kind of them. And so I would like to share that with you today, and also a discount code from them. So just a little bit about Bona. When all items that you purchase from them are free, no shipping. No shipping charges in the US at all, which is great because, come on, many of us like to avoid those charges. All the items are delivered within like a 3 to 7 day time period. And then there's also a 30-day refund policy. Now, again, they did offer a 15% off coupon, and I will share that in the description box along with a link to their site for those of you that might be interested. But before we go any further, I was looking in the back office of things and thought to mention this to you. The bell notifications, check them because they seem to be lower than usual. Check your bells. Click on them, make sure that you select all because we are getting ready to go into the busy season of things. So that being said, let's begin, shall we? Okay, so this weekend, quite a bit of shopping here, shopping around. I have some gorgeous green coleus. I do have this downstairs on my porch. And this dahlia is just here. Let me walk around. I don't remember. I have soil bags over here, so I have to make my way. But I'm not remembering the name. What do we have here? A grand fun red. What that say? White dahlia or dahlia? Okay. I do not pronounce names appropriately. We know this. And in the last video, many of you came forth and pronouncing it differently. So I'm not the only one. I guess we all have our own different language of things. But anyhow, I'll get better at it. Okay, let's get here. Cilantro. And we have some creeping Jenny down here. And some crookneck squash. So I will be doing you'll see. But it's going to be a floral, but also some vegetables as well. We have, what are these here? Diamond frost. I've never planted these, but they were whimsy and fun. I have these are downstairs in the front porch, and I did find another one. So this coming up week, it's going to be all about the upper porch. Decorating that up, getting the lights up, and going into a bit of gardening, maybe some decorating. Well, definitely decorating because I'm doing the porch. I have quite a few new pieces that I will be sharing in the upper portion. Look, we have wonderful tomatoes. I paid a little bit extra to have a larger tomato plant, but I am kind of late in planting, so I had no problem. I have bell peppers back there. I had no problem paying the extra. And this, I always say this lavender is a scent that's in heaven. I just know it. And this is back in the herb area, so it's not the lavender that's short and chunky, it's the long, so it's very fragrant. So I'm just trying my best to show the names of some of the items. We have a sweet little basil hiding down here, but as soon as it is planted, that will go wild along with the rosemary up front here. But again, today it's all about, I want to introduce you all to these fabulous planters and a company called Bona that really makes quality pieces for indoor and outdoor for your home. Okay, here we are up on the top porch. To the left, here is how it is shipped, the planter in the Bona box. And to the right, we removed everything out from the styrofoam so that you could see all of the pieces that are involved in putting together your planter box. I will be having a step-by-step just for you all to see how super simple this is to put together. It is weather resistant to all weather. It will not fade. It will not crack, rot. It is the perfect material to have a flower or even vegetable planter. Step one, down at the bottom, you see it's a side wall. And then it has two stabilizing pieces, which just screw right in, as you can see on the back piece here. I'm telling you, this is such a simple piece to put together. Okay, step two, we have the bottom part of the planter, and as you can see, there is more than enough drainage holes down at the bottom, which is fabulous when growing floral and vegetables. Step three, we put the sides on. I'm telling you, it's just really this simple. It takes about, well, the first one, because it's new, right? Takes about 20, maybe 30 minutes. That's with a drill. And here are the side pieces. All I can say is pay attention to letters C and D. Well, it was probably our fault because we were doing so much talking out here. We had to fix them. I'll show you. Okay, step 5. This is the bottom piece with the stabilizing bar. Fabulous, fabulous feature. So many planters do not even have this piece right here, which I think it's fabulous because it's going to be, the structure is going to be more sturdy. You can put pots down here, different items, and not have to worry about it bowing in. Step 6, we have it standing up, looking pretty. And now we are just going to add the bottom shelf down at the bottom. If you look up at top, you see those little holes inside the planter? That's wrong. That was our bad. We had to flip them around. And as you can see, we fixed it. Super simple, gorgeous, sweet planter box up here on the top porch. I do have 3 of them. So this week, this whole porch is going to be decorated. Now, for this planter, if you're interested, again, a link is in my description box. Use Beverly 15 to receive a discount code. You do not want to miss that. Here's an overall view of the front porch I will be decorating. And remember, when you order from Bona, shipping is free in the United States, and you have your items within 3 to 7 business days. So I hope to see you all back this coming up week. Remember, check those bells, because this whole area, I have new furniture and tables and plants and the planter boxes and rugs and lights. Quite a bit of decor is coming up this week at the Little Blue Fly. So again, I hope to see that you are all present. If you are new, again, I invite you to subscribe. Make sure to hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day, everyone.